This is the FiiO R2R Warmer, and it packs all this goodness into a neat, half-width box without a crazy price tag. First up, let's talk about that R2R DAC circuit. Most modern DACs use delta sigma chips, which rapidly switch between voltage levels to create an analog waveform. But R2R, or resistor, torosistor, DACs, are different. FiiO's own design here, which I believe is the same one found in their K13R2R, uses 192 super precise thin film resistors. But if you want, there's a switch on the back to engage oversampling mode, which upsamples all incoming digital signals to 384 kHz before decoding. You get USB-C, supporting up to 32-bit, 384 kHz PCM, and DSD256. Plus optical and coaxial inputs. For outputs, there are both single-ended RCA and balanced XLR, and apparently you can use them at the same time, which is a nice touch for running multiple systems or doing comparisons. Now, for the second piece of the puzzle, those for JJ Electronics E88CC tubes glowing on the front. These aren't for amplification. They're part of a buffer stage, which means their job is to add harmonic richness to the sound without adding gain. A tube buffer like this introduces even-order harmonics, the kind that can make a piano sound fuller and more natural, less skeletal. FiiO calls it adding a sweet, organic tube flavor to the signal. These tubes are running on a hefty plus or minus 28-volt supply, but it's a hybrid setup. The tubes work alongside op-amps. The op-amps handle the heavy lifting of current delivery and impedance matching, while the tubes are there purely to add their unique harmonic signature. This gives you that tube character without the typical drawbacks like high output impedance or limited drive capability. Powering all this is a 46-watt low-noise toroidal transformer. Some might call this a proper, old-school linear power supply. It's a serious foundation for the circuitry inside. And third, we have to talk about the aesthetics. Those backlit twin mechanical VU meters. Sure, digital meters are probably more accurate, but they just don't have the same soul. Mechanical meters move with the music's dynamics in real time. The needles are physically moved by electromagnetic force, not just software, giving you a visual dance that connects you to the ebb and flow of the music. It's a classic look that never gets old. Now, let's have a reality check. Combining an R2R DAC with a tube buffer stage is going to have an impact on the Unit S measured performance. FiiO has already published the specs on their website, and the R2R Warmer synod is around 65 decibels. This number will undoubtedly make the measurement-obsessed audiophiles out there weep into their keyboards. But here's the thing. FiiO isn't targeting that market with this product. This DAC is deliberately colored and purposefully euphonic. Complaining about that is like getting a dog and then complaining it isn't a cat. This product is a tacit admission that not all DACs sound the same. It's designed for people who prioritize a certain type of sound, a certain listening experience, over chasing perfect measurements. And I fully expect the R2R Warmer will prove that point beyond all reasonable doubt. I also expect, given its name, that it will run warm to the touch, so keep that in mind. So, what's the price for this combination of retro tech and modern engineering? It's launching at €464. You can get it in either black or silver. For more details, you can check out FiiO's official website. What do you think? Is this the kind of DAC you've been waiting for? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Bye for now.